Essential oils for post-nasal drip. Melaleuca post-nasal drip affects around 20% of the population at any given time. It results from swelling in the nose and throat lining and results in a drip, drip, drip sensation that won't go away. The reason for this is usually an allergy or a cold that has gone past peak. Yet, it can also be a symptom of other more serious conditions such as asthma or chronic sinusitis. It can be hard to pinpoint the cause for post-nasal drip. It is the natural response your body has to protect against a cold or flu most of the time. So what you breathe in and out of your nose can mix with the mucus and lead to increased thickness, which in turn causes more mucus to form. This is particularly bad in the winter months when you spend more time indoors, soaking up the dry air. It can also happen anytime you get a cold. Some essential oils can be beneficial as they relieve uncomfortable symptoms such as post-nasal drip. Everything you need to know about essential oils for post-nasal drip: causes, symptoms, risk factors, treatments, and more. Melaleuca. If you have post-nasal drip and are looking for relief, consider using Melaleuca essential oil. This antibacterial essential oil is often used to prevent the spread of infection as well as treat it. If you suffer from post-nasal drip, this essential oil can be applied to your upper chest or collarbone to relieve symptoms caused by allergen exposure or cold, flu virus. Cedarwood oil. Cedarwood essential oil works well for a variety of conditions, including relieving post-nasal drip. People suffering from post-nasal drip can apply a small amount to their neck and upper chest. The oil has an anti-inflammatory effect that will help with the pain. Sage oil. Sage oil has been used since ancient times to bring about health and wellness. Sage essential oil works well for relieving congestion by tightening the fabric of the inner linings of your sinuses. This helps to stop mucus from building up as well as the pain you feel from congestion. Aids in improving circulation to bring oxygen-rich blood to affected areas of your body. Increases blood flow and improves circulation throughout the body, including the sinuses, nasal passages, and throat. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is a powerful oil that can lead to an immediate increase in mucus. You can also use it to expel mucus that has already settled in nasal passages and even to clear congestion from the chest and lungs. Peppermint. Peppermint is a sweeter oil than eucalyptus but has a calming effect on the mind and body. It works by increasing blood flow, which helps the body get rid of excess mucus. Lavender. Lavender is a perfect oil for the treatment of post-nasal drip. It not only increases blood flow but also soothes and calms inflammation in the throat and nasal passages. Thyme has strong antiseptic properties that help it to cleanse the respiratory system. This can be particularly good for post-nasal drip as it helps to clear out bacteria and infection from the throat and lungs. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is perfect for treating problems with mucus. It increases blood flow but also helps to dissolve excess mucus in the nasal passages. You can use it alone or mixed with other oils that can help strengthen its effects. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a very calming oil that also works in helping to treat post-nasal drip. It increases blood flow, which helps to dissolve excess mucus and clear the nasal passages and throat. It also has a relaxing effect on the mind, which allows you to drift off into a deep sleep. Frankincense. Frankincense is a rich oil with antiseptic properties, which allow it to work as a natural antibiotic. You can use it in conjunction with essential oils for post-nasal drip and help clear the nose's mucus. Breakdown. Due to the nature of essential oils and their tendency to increase the oxygen flow in your system, they are good at helping post-nasal drip. They're also very warming, so they will help to soothe any sore or congested areas. Risk factors. Causes. In general, post-nasal drip can be the result of an allergy or cold. This happens because mucus that has settled in the nasal passages and throat is built up, which means it is not getting cleared as quickly as it should. Symptoms. The symptoms of post-nasal drip are usually that of excess nasal mucus, a constantly wet throat, and a lack of energy or motivation. The drip is caused by excess mucus in the throat, which can also make you feel as if you need to clear your throat constantly. Finally, post-nasal drip can cause inflammation in the nasal passages and mince blockages, leading to a feeling of having something stuck in your nose. Risk factors. People who suffer from post-nasal drip usually have already suffered from a cold or an allergy. This is because the body reacts to these things in a similar way, by thickening up the mucus in order to fight him off. Read more on www.livestrong.com, www.healthline.com, www.betterhealth.vic.gov.au, www.webmd.com, www.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov, www.todayifoundout.com.